This is the I-79 North off-ramp in Wexford, Pennsylvania. And it has 3 lanes. The right lane is right turn only. The middle lane, which I am sitting in, is straight ahead or right turn, which does mean that you can make a right turn on red. You just have to yield. But people don't do it. So that results in a little bit of mayhem. And this Jaguar is almost going to get hit by a truck that is not abiding the right turn only lane, which is very, very common. Also, those Jaguars have aged spectacularly well. Adding to the nonsense at this intersection is that even when the light is red, cars will still try to barge their way through at the light. And if you watch here, yeah, that guy in the other truck is now doing an illegal lane change after the light. I don't know. This whole intersection, it is being rebuilt currently. You can probably see some of the construction signs there, but it's just super frustrating. Speaking of frustrating, ever felt invisible? This is just the other day, a little bonus clip I'll throw on here. They never looked. They just never looked. Some older couple driving, and they just sort of ooze out into traffic. And I really hate when people just sort of like zombie walk around grocery stores or Costco, and I really hate when they zombie drive.